channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe. I'll wait. Well, today we're gonna be doing an empty apartment tour. Yay! All right guys, so we just got the keys and we're in. We didn't move too much stuff in because we're still at our apartment now and we're still gonna be there till the end of the month. So we just moved some stuff over, but yeah. So I'll start with the kitchen. So all the appliances are stainless steel. This is the fridge. It's a Whirlpool fridge. My friend said this is an ice maker, but I'm just trying to understand, like, how would I make ice in this? I think they just said that, I don't know. But yeah, this is the fridge. We normally have a gas stove, so this electric stove is gonna be something different for us. So, but we'll figure it out. We got a bunch of outlets, plenty cabinet space, and another Whirlpool microwave. Show you the microwave. And some more cabinet space. These drawers actually open. You know how they be having like drawers that don't open, they just there for show? But these open. These open as well, but these don't. This is the sink, the countertop, and we got a dishwasher. I think this is also Whirlpool. I feel like people with dishwashers say they still wash their dishes. So this is the living room. We're gonna mount a TV on the wall, get a cute little TV stand, get some bar stools to put over there. I have a sectional now. I'm gonna bring my sectional. I just bought my sectional like a year ago, so I will be taking that with me. But other than that, we're gonna get all new stuff as far as like the bedroom. But yeah, this is the living room. Let you guys see that. And then this is like a pantry here. I don't know if we would use it as a pantry. Andrew might use it for storage because he got a lot of stuff. So. And then this is like a hallway closet. We already got some stuff in there. At the top, we can put some stuff at the top as well. What are you doing?
Trying to set the top.
But yeah, this and the storage and the flood. The floors are hardwood floors. We're gonna have to clean these floors down. They're looking a little dusty. More outlets. It's so many outlets in this house, so many. This is the bathroom. I'm gonna get one of those over the toilet shelves and put that over there. And then this is the mirror, cute little light. The walls are like this nice kind of material. It's cute. And here I am. Anyway, all right. So next, we have the bedroom. Now, the bedroom is a decent size, but it is smaller than our apartment that we have now. But it's in a nice square, so that'll be a better for alignment. We are getting a king size bed, so I know y'all thinking, how's she gonna get a king size bed in there? But I am. So this is the bedroom. Huh? This is the closet. The closet is very tiny, but I'm gonna make it work. Cause I have enough space over here where I can put some shelves, maybe put something for my shoes, maybe add another row for clothes up here. Then I have up here. Oh, it's a light. Oh, it's a light in the closet. How cute. That's cute. I like that. But yeah, plenty outlets as well. Outlet here, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there. Are we gonna put the TV on this side or this side?
I think it would depend on where you put this one. Because if you put the TV on that side, I would want to mount two TVs on the same wall.
Oh, I didn't know that was a thing.
It's not, it's getting crazy.
I mean, the wall should be pretty sturdy. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys have any recommendations on how I should decorate, leave it in the comments below. Tell me some stuff, you know. I love recommendations. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I believe there's some other stuff in the building as well. There's a laundry room, there's a rooftop. There was a gym, but because of COVID, they said that the gym is gonna be on a long pause and they might even not make it. But I wouldn't understand what they would do with that space if they don't make it. So hopefully they do make it, but I don't plan on being here longer than 2 years anyway, because we really wanna buy a property. But yeah, it's cute. I think this apartment is like 600 square feet, something like that. Yeah. But yeah, so there's a gym, laundry, the lobby is cute, the rooftop is real cute. I don't think I can show it to you guys right now because of everything with the virus, everything is locked up. But once everything is open, I will show you guys. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. Oh, I just wanted to show you guys the hallway really quick. Gives me kind of like a hotel feeling. But yeah, this is the hallway. Oh, this is like for the garbage disposal, I guess. Yep. And this is the lobby. Nice little lights. Mailbox.